Hello and welcome to my review and room tour of the Crowne Plaza Hotel, Manchester Airport. So we stayed for one night at the Crowne Plaza in Manchester Airport. We had a twin room. The room was comfortable and it was really quite spacious. I loved the layout of the room. Shuttle over to the hotel was really quick. And the hotel is really nice, isn't it?
Very nice.
We're in room 304. We have some storage.
There's all that other cupboard is up here.
Why? Oh, right, okay. It's a cupboard. We have a twin room. It's really quite a big room, isn't it?
Yeah, it is. It's nice. Very nice.
A little seating area. A mother. The view is, I think,
Not
out to the
much.
hotel. Wow.
Wow.
And then we've got like this really weird area. We have slippers and a robe. Just one robe.
Yes.
How bizarre. Poor mum. And then we have a kettle, coffee, hot chocolate, biscuits, water. Oh, we can get ice, mum. And there's a wine glass.
Oh, good.
And there's a fridge, but we don't think it's working unless we need to turn it on, which could possibly be what the problem is because there's no lights going on in it, actually, looking in it. It does beep. Safe. Oh look, straight to the fridge with the wine.
I don't think it's any use because I don't
Oh, I'll have a look at that in a minute. Then we've got the bathroom, sink, shower, bath, toilet, toiletries, and the soap smells lovely. It's like lemony. Lots of towels. Yes, I've just noticed that. I've just noticed this, which I think is brilliant, really handy, especially when you're travelling with lots of gadgets like me. Right by the bed, and it's got USB charger and the plug. And then there's loads of plugs here as well. And there. And in the desk area. The room was comfortable. We had a nice television, there was lots of storage, there was an iron and an ironing board in the cupboard. There was plenty of plugs and also USB charging points around the room. I was really impressed with that. We stayed in the hotel and had a meal, which was lovely. Quite expensive, but no more expensive than any airport hotel would be. The only complaint I have is the bed was not comfortable, it was very hard, and to me that's a very important factor. The location, it was really close to the airport, arrived by train. There's phones in the airport, phone for a shuttle, we phoned for the bus shuttle, it was there within minutes, took us to the hotel, it was very quick, great service, and on the morning that we were flying, we went to the desk, there was a bus available, shuttle available immediately, and they took us to the airport and dropped us off. All very smooth, no complaints at all about that, it was perfect, really friendly driver, but all in all, it's perfectly good hotel to stay at. Morning! I have to say something. This bed in the Crowne Plaza, it's not comfy. It's really hard. Neither of us found them very comfy beds, and to me that's a very important factor in a hotel room. Sorry Crowne Plaza, I really like the room, but the bed is very firm and the pillows aren't brilliantly comfy either. I'm not one to moan, but that's the most important factor on a hotel room. The room itself is really nice, really spacious, and I love the wee extra bit we've got. But the bed thing. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this video, please give me the thumbs up. Please leave a comment, I'd love to hear from you. If you've got any questions, leave them below and I'll try my best to answer them. If you haven't already, then please subscribe to my channel and hit that bell notification so you're notified of any new uploads. Thank you so much for watching. Goodbye.